Good morning, students. We were doing chapter number 16, that is climate, and we had done two parts of this chapter. Up to part 2, we had done various types of wind affecting India, like ITCZ, then it was El Nino, effect of El Nino, jet stream western disturbance. Now we'll continue further and we'll study the rainfall system of India. This is really very interesting to know how does a rain come in India. Actually the whole world, but we are going to study over here the Indian rainfall system. Yes, so last we studied was ITCZ, that is Intertropical Convergence Zone. ये विंड कहाँ से आती है और कैसे इंडिया को अफेक्ट करती है. Now we are going to study about the warm weather season, that is summer, जिसको हम ग्रीष्म सीजन भी कहते हैं. Okay now. In India, a warm and dry season between March to May is called summer. We all know that summer. Right now it is winter, and after 2 months or 2.5 months we'll experience summer. During this period, the sunrise falls vertically from south to north gradually, and the landmass becomes warmer. Now, what is vertical? Vertical matlab this straight line. Okay. So during this season, the sunrise falls vertically from south to north, and that's why the landmass kaisa ho jata hai, it becomes warmer. The temperature increases continuously. The month of March is the hottest month in the southern India. Temperature exceeds 40 degree at many places. In Bhavnagar, it comes to nearly 44 also. हमने 44 degree भी देखी है. So it is extremely hot weather during this period. Central and northeast India experience maximum temperature during April and May. Yes, now central or northeast. Central India matlab you can say Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. These states comes in central India. And north east state कौन से आएंगे? North east मतलब it will come to Bihar, Jharkhand, then Assam. These all are, Assam is actually eastern state, but north east में आएंगे Bihar, Jharkhand, half of the UP. So at many places the temperature reaches around 45 degree to 50 degree centigrade. Thus the entire nation experiences very high temperature during summer. We all know that the entire India experiences summer. Due to the altitude of peninsula and the plateau, the summer in South India is little mild. See now, South India में comparatively summer little mild. It means that it will be 4 to 5 degree less. Why it is so? Because of the peninsula. South India का shape कैसा है? It is like a triangle bordered by sea, from the sea 3 sides. And altitude वो height पर है. Plateau है मतलब what? Plateau is a region which is nearly 400 to 800 meter high than sea coast. Okay, plains are 180 meter high और प्लेटो होते हैं 400 to 600 meters high than sea coast. So as these region are up to at one height, they experience less heat compared to plain region. So compared to North India, the temperature here remains low. While the temperature in Delhi and Allahabad is 34 degree, it is 30 at Madurai and 27 at Bangalore. I said it will make difference of nearly 4 to 5 degrees centigrade, but it is a big difference. अगर we compare it with the proportion of heat we experience, then it is a big difference. Thus, physical features and sea seems to have dominating effect on the temperature in south. कौन से इफेक्ट करते हैं उसको? एक तो उसकी फिजिकल फीचर. व्हाट इज़ द फिजिकल फीचर ऑफ साउथ? इट इज़ अ ट्रायंगुलर शेप. ओके, ट्रायंगुलर शेप डज नॉट मेक डिफरेंस, बट द थिंग इज दैट कि ट्रायंगुलर शेप होने की वजह से इट हैज़ बाउंड्री ऑफ 3 सीज, दैट इज अरेबियन सी, बे ऑफ बंगाल एंड इंडियन ओशन. सो एज इट इज़ नियर टू वाटर, वहाँ पे मॉइस्चर का प्रोपोर्शन ज़्यादा होता है और वो एक हाइट पर है. दैट्स वाई हाइट की वजह से भी वहाँ पे धूप कम हो जाती है, गर्मी कम लगती है. सो दैट इट मेक्स अ डिफरेंस ऑफ टेम्परेचर इन साउथ इंडिया एंड नॉर्थ इंडिया. Yes, now like to know that this is northwester. It is a type of wind, you can say. A low pressure pocket over the north and northeast India is spread up to Bihar, due to which some part of Odisha and Jharkhand becomes more hot occasionally. It is known as nor'wester. नाउ डू यू नो दैट, आप लोगों ने एनवायरमेंट में पढ़ा होगा और माइट बी इन साइंस यू हैव स्टडीड दैट हीट ऑलवेज ब्लो फ्रॉम हाई प्रेशर टू लो प्रेशर। विंड का फ्लो हमेशा से हाई प्रेशर से लो प्रेशर की तरफ जाता है। ओके, सो हियर इट इज रिटन दैट अ लो प्रेशर इज बिल्ट ओवर नॉर्थ एंड नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया। लो pressure, where the low pressure is built in north and northeast India. So the wind is coming towards Bihar and Orissa, and these are hot winds. Summer में तो hot winds ही होगी, so they experience extremely hot wind during this season. This wind are known as काल बैसाखी locally and cause much damage in eastern India. इसका नाम है काल बैसाखी. You all know काल means in Gujarati language and Hindi we say काल मतलब something not good. Okay, so this wind are known as काल बैसाखी. Next comes Loo. In Gujarati this word is very famous. During summer many times we have heard that બહુ લૂ લાગે છે. ઓકે, લૂ લાગે છે मीन्स वॉट, लू का मतलब होता है कि एक्सट्रीम गर्म हवा. हवा कैसी है, एक्सट्रीम गर्म है जो हमारी बॉडी को अफेक्ट करती है. So in the arid region of west and northwest India, sandstorm or thunderstorm are common. In summer, especially in May, very hot winds blow over North India, which are known as loo. Due to excessive heat, many people and animal die. Yes, बहुत ज़्यादा लू लगने की वजह से many a times people die also. दिस इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ एक्सट्रीम हॉट विंड, ये हमारे बॉडी में से पानी का प्रपोर्शन कम कर देती है. इट रिड्यूस द वाटर प्रपोर्शन फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी एंड ड्यू टू विच बिकॉज ऑफ डिहाइड्रेशन मेनी टाइम्स पीपल डाई ऑल्सो. This is India's map. I have taken this because I want to show you that in the previous thing we studied that low pressure is built in Bihar, and because of that Orissa and Bihar, Jharkhand experience hot wind. See now, where is Bihar? It is over here. यहाँ पे है Bihar. Okay, and over here it is Orissa. So during summer low pressure कहाँ पे बनता है? इस एरिया में low pressure बन जाता है, और बिकॉज ऑफ दैट हॉट विंड्स, यहाँ से हॉट विंड्स आती है और यहाँ पे इस एरिया में आ जाती है, जिसकी वजह से दिस पीपल एक्सपीरियंस एक्सट्रीम हॉट एंड दिस विंड आर नोन एज काल बैसाखी. ओके, यहाँ से विंड आती है, दैट इज नोन एज काल बैसाखी. एंड दिस इज नॉर्थ एंड नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया. ओके, so over here many times we in the previous thing we heard that thunderstorm means what, sandstorm and thunderstorm. See sandstorm, ये पूरा राजस्थान, we all know that राजस्थान and कच्छ, these are the desert region. so sandstorm यहीं पे आएंगे, सैंड मतलब डेजर्ट में आते हुए तूफान. so लो प्रेशर यहाँ पे आता है और यहाँ से सैंडस्टॉर्म होके यहाँ पे हमारी इन गुजरात एंड राजस्थान वी एक्सपीरियंस सैंडस्टॉर्म ड्यूरिंग समर सीजन. ओके, during this season, tropical cyclone develops over Bay of Bengal and over Arabian Sea, advance towards the coastal area and cause devastating effect over the coastal region. See, during this season, tropical cyclone develop over Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. Cyclone develop होते हैं because of low pressure, and this advance and affect the coastal region. Most of the country experience hot and dry weather during summer. Most of the places do not receive any rain in this season. Yes, we do not receive, even in Bhavnagar we do not receive any rain during summer. But sometimes Malabar coast gets some rain which helps the mango crop. Malabar is a coast in the southern side of India, and so वहाँ पे थोड़ी बहुत रेन आती है and which helps in the crop of mango. So it is called Amravarshti. Okay, this is useful to mango and coffee crop. This rain is very useful for mango and coffee crop. Next comes advancing monsoon, that is rainy season, June to September. So here we are going to study how do rain come in India. India is an agrarian country, so the rainy season is very important season for India. About 80% of the rainfall country is received during June to September. Yes, we are an agrarian country. Many times or in many proportion we are dependent on rainfall. So this is very important for us this season, because and 80% of the rainfall we get during this time period, that is from June to September. Indian farmer is busy in farming from beginning of the rainy season. Southwest monsoon wind are responsible. Rain आने के लिए कौन सी wind responsible है? It is southwest monsoon wind. For the rain in this season and the humid and cloudy weather, that is why it is also known as the season of southwest monsoon wind. ये कौन सी जानी जाती है? Southwest monsoon wind. Almost entire India gets rainfall during this winds. Due to this wind, yes, almost entire India, पूरे ही इंडिया में इस विंड की वजह से रेनफॉल आती है. We'll study this how it works. By the end of the May, a low pressure is developed due to high temperature over India and Central Asia. See now, by the end of May, a low pressure is developed due to high temperature over India and Central Asia. At this time, Indian Ocean in the south develops high pressure. So the wind blows towards northward pressure pocket. Okay. देखो लो प्रेशर कहाँ पे बन रहा है? नो प्रेशर इज डेवलप ओवर इंडिया एंड सेंट्रल एशिया. सो और साउथ एशिया में, साउथ इंडिया में कौन सा प्रेशर बनता है? हाई प्रेशर बनता है. सो विंड विल ब्लो फ्रॉम साउथ टू नॉर्थ. यहाँ से विंड होके लो प्रेशर की तरफ मतलब नॉर्थ इंडिया में जाएगी. द समर monsoon winds blow from the ocean towards India. As this wind are moisture laden, they bring rain. रेन क्यों लाते? बिकॉज उसमें पूरा मॉइस्चर होता है. Yes, now see here we'll study. Low pressure is developed over here and this is Asia, okay, Central Asia and India. Because of extreme heat, a low pressure is developed over here during the month of June, okay, and high pressure is over here in the Indian Ocean. So wind will obviously blow from high pressure towards low pressure. High pressure से wind कहाँ पे जाएगी? Low pressure में जाएगी. Just a second, I want to start the map. Yes, now see, during June, high pressure is developed over here, that is over Indian Ocean, and wind will blow from south to north. Wind will go from here to here. So how does rain start in India? See here you can see various dates are written over here. That is 1st June, then this is 5th June, then over here it is 10th June, over here it is 15th June. आप सबको अगर पता हो then in Bhavnagar or in Gujarat most probably we experience first rain nearly 10th June से लेके 18 जून के आसपास हमारे वहाँ पे फर्स्ट टाइम बारिश आती है. ओके, इफ़ यू डोंट नो दिस देन एक्सपीरियंस दिस ड्यूरिंग दिस. अब जो सीज़न आएगी तब ध्यान से देखना. सो नाउ लो प्रेशर यहाँ पे बनता है. सो विंड विल ब्लो फ्रॉम ईयर टू ईयर. फर्स्ट इट विल ब्रिंग रेन ओवर दिस रीजन दैट इज केरला एंड तमिलनाडु. ओके, देन इट विल ब्लो रेन नियरली 5th June. इट विल रीच ओवर ईयर एंड द रेन विल कम इन कर्नाटका. देन अप टू 10th June रेन कहाँ पे आती है? दैट इज़ महाराष्ट्र. ओके, महाराष्ट्र स्टेट में. And then it comes over here up to 15th June and it brings rain in Gujarat. Now this wind gets diverted into two parts. इसके दो पार्ट बन जाते हैं. One is Arabian Sea current and second is Bay of Bengal current. हाफ विंड यहाँ से कैसे डाइवर्ट हो जाती है. ओके, ये जो विंड होती है वो यहाँ से it will go from here to here and half then it will divert from here to here. Okay, let me cancel this. Due to the peninsular shape of South India, the southwest monsoon wind are divided into two parts, that is Arabian Sea current and Bay of Bengal current. This is Arabian Sea current and this is Bay of Bengal current. Now, Arabian Sea current. Generally, the monsoon in India starts in the beginning of June at Kerala in South India. Western Ghat obstructs the southwest monsoon wind coming from the Arabian Sea. Now here, these are the Western Ghats. Okay. Generally monsoon start from Kerala and south western घाट्स ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट करना मतलब किसी को रोक देना. ओके, सो वेस्टर्न घाट यहाँ पे है वेस्टर्न घाट्स और वो यहाँ से जो विंड आ रही है उसको क्या करते थे? ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट, वहाँ पे उसको रोक लेते हैं. सो द एंटायर कॉस्ट ऑफ द वेस्टर्न स्लोप्स ऑफ द घाट रिसीव हैवी रेनफॉल बिकॉज द विंड गेट्स स्टॉप्ड ओवर देयर और यू कैन से टकरा जाते हैं माउंटेन से. दैट्स वाई द रेनफॉल ओवर दैट रीजन इज़ वेरी मच heavy. When this wind cross Western Ghat and reach Peninsula Plateau, most of the moisture is reduced. Hence, the leeward region gets less rainfall. Leeward region मतलब ऐसा region होता है जो माउंटेन के अदर साइड पे होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड लीवर्ड रीजन. ओके, so that region gets less rainfall. Mumbai gets more than 200 centimeter rainfall, while Pune, which is a little farther, gets 75 centimeter rainfall. Now साउथ अरेबियन सी की जो हवा यहाँ से आती है, बिकॉज ऑफ द वेस्टर्न घाट्स ओवर ईयर, इट विल गेट स्ट्रक और इट विल वेस्टर्न घाट विल ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट दिस विंड, एंड सो ये दिस कोस्टल रीजन विल गेट हेवी रेनफॉल. बट दिस पेनिनसुला प्लेटो दैट इज दे डू नॉट गेट मच रेनफॉल, बिकॉज जब विंड यहाँ पे आती है मच ऑफ इस मॉइस्चर क्या हो जाता है, रिड्यूस हो जाता है. दैट्स वाई उनको इतनी ज़्यादा बारिश मिलती है नहीं. सो मुंबई इज़ ओवर ईयर एंड पुणे इज़ ओवर ईयर, बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है मुंबई और पुणे में. फिर भी मुंबई गेट्स मोर रेनफॉल एंड पुणे गेट्स लेस, बिकॉज पुणे इज़ ऑन द लीवर्ड साइड. ओके, दैट्स वाई पुणे गेट्स लेस रेनफॉल. Rainfall decreases northward from Kerala to Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra on the western coast. One branch of this current enters Madhya Pradesh through the Narmada Valley. Yes, one branch कहाँ पे जाती है, मध्य प्रदेश through Narmada Valley. This current further merges with the winds coming from Bay of Bengal. So see now, one current it will go from here to here. One current it will get diverted. Madhya Pradesh is over here, so it will get diverted. Let me start this. Yes, now see, one current will go from here to here, another current will go from here, see divert हो जाता है. Okay, it will get divert from Madhya Pradesh over here, and then it will get mixed with the current coming from Bay of Bengal. यहाँ से आके इस current से mix हो जाती है. Okay, like this it works. Then so one branch of this Arabian Sea current passes over Gujarat, Saurashtra, Kutch and advances towards Rajasthan. There, okay, see now, कहाँ पे जाता है ये, advances towards Rajasthan, coming from here and then it advances towards Rajasthan. There are no high mountains or dense forest in Gujarat, so there is less possibility of the condensation of the moisture and this in this wind. Yes, Gujarat में we do not have very high mountains and nor there are much forest in Gujarat. You all know, you have studied in condensation process in science. Fine. What is condensation process? Because of the greenery, the clouds get condensed and there is extreme rainfall over that region. But as Gujarat do not have much forest, nor do they it has big mountains, so the cloud do not get condensed in Gujarat. So we have less rainfall. After giving rain in Gujarat, when this wind enter Rajasthan, they contain less moisture, so Rajasthan get less rain. Desert get even less than 10 centimeter of rainfall. So Rajasthan के desert को 10 centimeter rainfall भी नहीं मिलता है, but it is extremely less. Yes, so today we had studied about the Arabian Sea current and the coming of monsoon in India. So next is Bay of Bengal current, but will not contain this in this video. We'll study this in next video. Okay, so have you understood how does rain come in India? Kerala से शुरू होता है. So Kerala gets first rain nearly on the 1st June. Summer, because of summer season, सी में से समर की वजह से सी में क्या होता है, एक्सट्रीम हीट की वजह से इवापोरेशन होता है. इवापोरेशन की वजह से दे फॉर्म क्लाउड, rainy cloud, water cloud, and then because of low pressure the wind blow from south to north. So first Kerala gets rainfall, which is on the southern point of India. Then the wind blows to Karnataka, then Maharashtra, then Gujarat, then Rajasthan, and then Arabian Sea current get divided into two parts. One will come to Gujarat side and one will get diverted to Madhya Pradesh side. Okay, so this is about the Arabian Sea current. We'll study about the Bay of Bengal current in the next video. Thank you.